Hello everybody, my name is Lad and today I'm going to tell you how to replace the screen on your iPhone 6s or iPhone 6s Plus. First up, you'll need a PH000 screwdriver, a pentalobe screwdriver, a suction cup and two plastic tools. First up, we'll start by turning our phone completely off, and then we'll use a blow dryer to soften up the adhesive that is holding the display attached to the body. After you've done that for 4 to 5 minutes, you will put a suction cup to the bottom left corner of the screen, and after that you will remove the two pentalobe screws. There it is one, and here it is the second one. Now that our pentalobe screws are removed, we will gently pull the screen and we will see a single very slim crack. Now we will use our guitar-like plastic tool and we will gently remove the screen. Be very careful when you do this operation. One side has been detached, and now we will detach the right side. Now we can remove the suction cup and we will see that we have a metal bracket that is holding our three connectors to the screen. So we will use our PH000 screwdriver to remove the four screws that holds the metal bracket in place. Here it is one. Here it is the second one. The third one. And the last one. Now we can remove the metal place and we will use our second plastic tool to remove the connectors. So here it is the Touch ID one, the digitizer and the display. Now we can remove our display from the body. Now we will use our PH000 screwdriver to remove the camera, the earpiece speaker, the metal shield that protects our display, and the home button. We will start at the top, and here we have 1, 2 and 3 screws. So here it is the first one. The second one and the third one. The second one and the third one. And the metal bracket. Now we have our camera, the earpiece speaker, and be very careful when you remove it because it is attached to a microphone. And here we have the whole assembly. Put that to the side. Now we will continue with the metal bracket. And we have, here it is one little screw. Another three on the side. One on the bottom. And another three on the other side. One. Two. And three. Now we can successfully remove our metal bracket and just simply lift it up. And here it is. And now we have to remove the home button. And here we have one and two screws. And removing the metal protector cover. And here we have our home button that is attached to this little component. And now we can simply peel it off. And here it is. Now what you have to do is replace the old display with the new one, and you have to put back the home button, the protector and the two screws. After that, the metal shield with all the screws and the camera with the microphone in the exact way that you disassemble it. After that, you will connect the new display to the motherboard and simply close the phone. After that, you will be able to successfully operate your newly repaired phone. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give me a like, and also I will put in the description my Facebook page. And if you are interested in buying some very cool stickers for your laptop or even for your phone, I will put my Etsy shop in the description.